How's it going, guys? I got a couple more Zippo lighters for you here. Now these I picked up at my local smoke shop and I thought they were pretty cool. Let's see, this one right here is the 236 regular Black Crackle, and this one was $19.95. So let's check it out. There it is. It's the Black Crackle. So this one was, let's see if I can focus in on that. There we go. I don't know, that's actually kind of, oh, there we go. It's made in I of 2015, which is September of 2015. It's got this really cool texture to it. It's almost like a plastic. It's kind of got this rough texture to it. Still sounds great. A little bit on the muted side, but still sounds really good. It's definitely got a very unique kind of texture to it. But yeah, really cool lighter. It was on my list of Zippos that I wanted to get, so I picked it up. So yeah, this is the Black Crackle. So let's check out the next one. Next one is the 28888. Wow, it's a lot of 8s. Neon Orange. And that was $21.95. And there it is in all of its glory. The Neon Orange. This one is pretty nice. This one was made in G of 2015, which is July of 2015. And this one I thought was pretty cool. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's not completely like a, it's not like the matte orange. Let me zoom out a little bit because the light's playing with the camera a little bit. There we go. So it's different from the matte orange, and it's a little bit shinier and it's a little bit brighter. I specifically wanted it without the Zippo logo. But yeah, this is the Neon Orange. Sounds great. Looks awesome. This one actually does sound really good. But yeah, here's the Neon Orange and the Black Crackle. Both pretty cool lighters. So yeah, there you go. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like these or not. And yeah, stay tuned for the next Zippo review. Take care, guys.